Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Kindly open cam. For the checking of attendance, kindly open cam. Come on, quick. So we can finish within 30 minutes and for you to have your own practice in relation to which activity will be designated to your group. Okay? Class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Parang may sakit pa ang sumagot. How about the rest?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I had given you two assignments already, right? The first is your handwritten notes on the syllabus. And the second assignment is your handwritten reactions on all the videos you have watched and assessed. Diba? Now, have you already submitted those?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Make sure, because
Sir.
later if I'll check, I will not be considering those late submitted already. Okay. So, Jade, are you around? Jade Benito? Benito pala. Is she around? Wala pa. Now, we had ordered the book already from Sir Dario Ginayan. From 320, it now cost around 275. Yun yung sabi niya, yun yung pinakamababang pwede nating presyong pangkuha, pambili doon sa book niya, which will be utilized in this subject. So, do you have already your payment? Are your payments available? Meron na ba?
Yes, sir.
Yung
Yes,
mga order,
sir.
yung order, syempre. You can send it through GCash. Wala yung si Benito ang na-assign dun eh. Sa GCash na lang niya kung sakali. Now, kung ayaw nyo rin GCash, pwede rin namang cash basis next Saturday. Same is true with your t-shirt. You have already forwarded your size, your last name, yung tatak na ilalagay dito sa harap nyo, sa harap ng t-shirt nyo, which will serve as your name plate. Yan. However, the shop owner request for 50% down payment before they could start. Now, in that case, we also need your payment kung pwede sana ASAP din. Para hopefully, pag natapos within the week, edi masusuot nyo na kaagad next Saturday na rin. Do you have your payments then for the t-shirt? To those who have ordered,
Yes, sir.
how about the rest?
Yes, sir.
Nakita ko 40, umabot ng 40. 40, 40 plus around eh. Isa lang sumagot, dalawa, tatlo. How about the rest? Wala, hindi yun libre. Hindi yun libre, may bayad yun.
Sir,
How about
yes,
the
sir.
rest? Pwede.
Yes, sir.
Sige, sige. So that's the second agenda. I designated Benito to collect your payment. However, the problem is she's not around. Wala pa rin siya. And are you sure that those members of our group chat are all enrolled in our subject. Nakita ko kasi umabot ng 63 eh. Yang sabi ni Sir Kawi, he will reduce it to around 30 to 40 students per subject. Umabot na tayo ng 60. And the problem is we were not yet furnished by the final class list from the department. Kaya di ko rin alam. Pati nga schedule, di ko rin alam eh. Wala ko yung final schedule niya. Kasi kung minsan, baka na-reschedule tayo. Pero ang late test na alam ko, 7:30 Saturday. Right? Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
7:30. O, di ba? 7:30
Yes, sir.
to 10:30 tayo ng Saturday. Yun yung alam ko. Ewan ko lang kung na-reschedule. Now, since we had around 62, I'm planning to have at least 6 groups. So you should create a group with at least 10 members per group having a 6 or having 6 groups.
Kayo magbibigay, sir?
Diba eh? Ang problema kasi absent yung iba eh. So anyways, wala silang point for today's attendance. Ilan lang ba kayo? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 times 2. Oh, so merong 50. O, pwede na. You can group yourself. 10 per group. Submit the list of your name per group to our Facebook group chat, okay? Now, one group will be doing the pistol exercise. Right? Write that down. The other group will be doing the CQB. What is CQB? Close quarter battle. Bakit parang nasasyak kayo? Di ba napanood nyo yung video ng mga previous students?
Yes, sir.
So we already have 2 activities. The third one is pistol exercise with facings. When we see facings, yung may lakad. So we already have here 3. Now, aside from those you have watched, what activity do you propose to do in this subject?
Sir, assemble and disassemble, sir.
Yes, we can include that provided that it will be done after the election period, after the Kanban. Because I myself, kahit nakakompleto nga ako, kahit na may LTOP ako, may firearms license ako, at saka PTC4, permit to carry firearms outside residence, pagka may gun ban, walang effect yung PTC4. Okay? We can still be held liable for violation of the COMELEC gun ban. So, temporarily, we may not include that in our activity. Aside from that, what else?
Firing, sir.
Kasama talaga yan. Pero after the gun ban. What else? Ikaw, Santos, Kerwin, parang nag-iisip ka eh. Iba naman yung iniisip mo eh.
Sir, iniisip ko lang kung ano yung pwede.
Oh, yun ang isipin mo. Hindi yung ulam mo mamaya. Kaya aga-aga pa. Ulam mo mamaya yung lunch iniisip mo. Ha?
Yes, sir.
What other activity do you propose? Come on, class. Let's make your subject enjoyable. PE4 nga eh. Because if you will not propose, then we will just be following the discussion on the book. Ganun ba gusto nyo, P4? Pero kung hindi, alternative lang natin yung book in case we are not able to perform other activities, physical exercises. But still, we will be using that book because it has the basics. Ito yung basics. O rifle exercise. One group will be doing the rifle exercise. If we have pistol exercise, we also have rifle. Pareho lang. Ang naiba lang yung barrel. Now, what's the difference between a rifle and a pistol?
Mahaba, sir.
Oo, mas mahaba ang rifle, di ba? Tapos yun yung ballistics nyo, hindi nyo pa alam ang difference ng pistol and rifle. So, we have here already 4. Ano pa gagawin ng dalawa? Do you like, what do you call this? Dramatizing a scenario? Hostage-taking scenario? With the application of marksmanship?
Yes, sir.
Sige. One group will be
Yes,
doing
sir.
that. Yun yung bago, hindi pa namin nagawa. And the other thing is marksmanship. Investigation of marksmanship nga lang to eh. I think we can include it here. It is somewhat related pa rin naman. Investigation of a homicide or a murder case with the use of firearm. So we have here already 6 activities for the 6 groups. Each group having 10 members. Now, who volunteers to have the pistol exercise among those present? Taas kamay, dali, dali. Sino may gusto? Antero. Antero, he will be the team leader of Group 1.
Yes, sir.
So they will be doing the pistol exercise. Who would like to do the CQB? CQB. Antero will only be entertaining the first persons to approach him. I mean, the first 9 persons kasi siya yung pang-10 eh. Okay? So yung mga iba, Antero, yung mga iba na magchat-chat sa'yo, pagka pang 11, 12 na sila, kamo, lumipat na sila sa ibang group. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And at the same time, you will be sending the names sa group chat natin. Yung name ng mga group members mo. At this very moment, after this. Not later than 10:30. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, who will be doing CQB? The close quarter battle. So, Kamti. Kamti is the in charge for the CQB. Now, how about pistol exercise with facings? Sensya na kayo, sinisipon ako eh. Pistol exercise with facings. When you say facings, mayroon siyang to your right, to your left. Walk, run kung malawak sana yung venue natin. Drop. O yun lang naman ang pinagkaiba niya. It's still a pistol exercise but it has a facings. Parang level 2 lang siya ng pistol exercise. Naragdagan lang ng facings. Now, who would like to do that? Meron din yan sa video, di ba? Napanood nyo din sa video. Kung wala, pwede naman nating i-demo later. Later. Next meeting. Oh, pistol exercise with facings. Who would like to do that? Ayaw nyo? Sige, let's move with rifle exercise. Who would like to do rifle exercise? Pareho lang siya sa pistol exercise. Ang pinagkaiba lang, rifle lang yung gagamitin. Don't worry about the rifle because merong project yung mga senior nyo na pellet gun. Pwede natin gamitin. So, I have here Del Pintor. He will be the person in charge. Same with the first groups, Del Pintor, you will be the in charge. Hanggang 10 lang ang mga members ang pwede mong i-cater. Ikaw pang 10. It will be group 4. Now, last 2. We have here hostage taking scenario. Bawat. How about investigation of a murder or homicide case with the perpetrated through a firearm? So we have here David Grace. Okay. Now, let's go back to pistol exercise with facings. Madali to, ayaw nyo pa. Who would like to volunteer? Dali na, para matapos na tayo.
Malabato, sir.
Ha? Malabato? Where are you? Bago ka rin ba reactions ka, kindly raise a hand. Malabato. Malabato, Norman. Kindly open cam. Open cam. Ayun, ganda mo palang lalaki, off cam ka pa. Huwag ganyan. Huwag mong ipagkait ang maganda mong itsura, Okay? So we have here group 3. In charge is Malabato. So take note, ladies and gentlemen, that it is a policy of the school not to give plus points for those volunteering. However, I cannot help myself but appreciate those who are always volunteering. So, I have here an example Meron siyang initiative si Cyrus Garcia. Siya yung gumawa ng Facebook Messenger natin. Pero parang wala siya ngayon. Are you here? Are you around?
Hello, sir.
Yan. Mga ganyan na tipo ng estudyante, yung may initiative, yung hindi mo kailangan utusan, alam na yung gagawin. Kahit na pinagbabawal ng school, may bibigay akong plus points sa inyo, pero minimal lang, yung pwede lang. Same is true with the team leaders. So long as you are able to perform your task as a leader, you'll have plus points for that. And to the members who participated, kung maganda yung performance ng grupo, we may also add points for that. Now, my next instruction is since you already have here the activities per group, okay, you will be having or you will be grouping yourself according to which interest you most. Okay? Kung saan sa tingin nyo kayo makakapag-contribute, saan kayo makakatulong, kung nasaan yung healing nyo, yung skills nyo, among those 6 activities na binigay natin, doon na kayo. Alam nyo na kung sino lalapitan nyo, Group 1 is Antero. Group 2 is Campi. Group 3 is Malabato. Group 4, for the rifle exercise, Del Pintor. Group 5 is Bauet. And Group 6, investigation of homicide or murder case through firearm, is Gulya. Gulya or Gula?
Gulya, sir.
Okay, Gulya. Thank you very much. So, upload to our Facebook Messenger the names of your members not later than 10:30 a.m. Okay? Not later than 10:30 a.m. And at the same time, start start practicing. Okay? Yung pistol exercise, CQB, pistol with facings, and rifle exercise, start practicing by reviewing the video related to our subject. Para next meeting, at least mabilis yung i-perform, okay? So that will be our activity for today up to 10:30. While those group hostage taking and investigation start crafting a script kung merong script o kaya scenario, okay? And send it to me for checking. So I can comment and probably give you some idea on how we could make it uh, better, okay? Better. Is that okay, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much and see you next meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sige.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
You are excused.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes.